The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is where world-class engineering meets mobile luxury living, delivering a seamless blend of performance, technology, and design unlike anything else on the road today. Known globally for their commitment to precision, comfort, and innovation, Mercedes-Benz has once again raised the bar, this time for the premium motorhome segment. From the outside, the motorhome exudes elegance and modernity, with sculpted body lines, a distinctive Mercedes grille, LED matrix headlamps, and flush panoramic windows. It looks less like a boxy RV and more like a rolling boutique hotel. The exterior is designed not only to turn heads but also to enhance functionality. Integrated slide-outs expand the interior living space effortlessly, and aerodynamic styling reduces drag for improved fuel efficiency. The high ground clearance and optional all-wheel drive system make it ready for both urban luxury parks and remote wilderness escapes, giving it a true go-anywhere capability with first-class sophistication. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome reveals a living space that rivals many high-end apartments. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, filled with top-tier materials such as brushed aluminum accents, real wood veneers, suede ceiling panels, and hand-stitched Napa leather furniture. The layout is open and intelligently designed to maximize both movement and relaxation. At the front, the lounge area features power reclining chairs and a built-in entertainment center with a 50-inch 4K display, complete with immersive surround sound. Just behind, the fully equipped kitchen boasts a seamless design with a built-in induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, a full-sized fridge, and even a wine chiller, all built into cabinetry that's both beautiful and practical. Smart lighting adjusts automatically throughout the day, while large side windows flood the space with natural light, blurring the line between indoors and outdoors. What makes this motorhome truly exceptional, however, is its advanced technology ecosystem. The entire living area is controlled via the MBUX-powered smart home system, which syncs with smartphones and tablets to let you manage lighting, climate, window shades, entertainment, and security features with a few taps or voice commands. The cockpit features a digital twin-screen setup powered by Mercedes' latest interface, delivering real-time navigation, media, and vehicle diagnostics in a clear, intuitive layout. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, a 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking make driving this 40-plus-foot vehicle feel surprisingly manageable and safe. There's even a semi-autonomous highway driving mode for longer journeys, keeping you comfortable and focused while the technology helps share the load. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome runs on a highly refined 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six diesel engine paired with EQ Boost, Mercedes' mild hybrid technology. This combination delivers strong low-end torque for smooth acceleration and confident towing, while also enhancing efficiency, crucial for long-distance travel. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures shifts are buttery smooth, and the fully independent air suspension system adapts dynamically to road conditions, making every drive quiet and serene. Whether cruising through mountain passes or navigating city streets, the motorhome handles with the kind of grace and control you'd expect from a premium SUV, only on a much larger scale. When it comes to daily living and self-sufficiency, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is built to impress. It features a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system, roof-mounted solar panels, and an advanced power management system that ensures off-grid capability for days at a time. The water system is equally advanced, featuring a large freshwater tank, grey and black water capacity with automated monitoring, and an integrated filtration system for safe drinking water anywhere you go. The heating and cooling are handled by a dual-zone climate system that operates efficiently even in extreme conditions. From hidden storage compartments to automatic leveling jacks and weather-sealed utility hookups, every aspect of this motorhome is engineered for reliability and convenience. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines what a luxury RV should be. It's not just a vehicle for getting from place to place, it's a highly engineered lifestyle solution that brings the comfort of home wherever you go. With its stunning design, intelligent features, powerful performance, and unmistakable Mercedes quality, this motorhome is tailor-made for travelers who refuse to compromise. Whether you're a full-time digital nomad, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who wants to experience the world without giving up luxury, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome makes every mile feel like a destination in itself.